Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Ballpoint Embroidery Paint is probably one of the most versatile and exciting art supplies to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique way to add dimension and texture to your crafts and artwork. This innovative paint allows you to draw and create intricate designs with the precision of a pen, but with the vibrant, tactile qualities of paint, opening up a world of creative possibilities for both beginners and experienced artists alike. Number 5. Aunt Martha's Ballpoint 8-Pack Embroidery Paint. Unleash your creativity with a stunning set of primary colors. This pack includes black, red, brown, green, blue, white, yellow, and orange, offering a full spectrum for your projects. Each set comes with 8 individual 1-ounce paint tubes. This generous amount ensures you have plenty of each color for all your crafting needs. You can craft with confidence knowing that these paints are lead-free and non-toxic. They are designed for safe and enjoyable use by everyone. Don't worry about your creations fading. These paints are machine washable, ensuring your embroidered artwork stays vibrant through every wash. Support quality craftsmanship with paints proudly made in the USA. Experience the difference that domestic production makes. What we like. This set offers a fantastic range of essential primary colors, perfect for beginners or those who need the basics. Its non-toxic formula makes it safe for all ages. If you're just starting out with embroidery painting or need a reliable set for everyday projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The paint is very vibrant and opaque, covering well on dark fabrics. It dries to a flexible finish that doesn't crack or peel. The fine tip applicator allows for precise detail work and lettering. Number 4. Aunt Martha's Full-Stocked Ballpoint Paint Color Caddie. Introducing Aunt Martha's Ballpoint Paint Color Caddie, your all-in-one solution for vibrant art projects. This comprehensive set is fully loaded to inspire your imagination. Inside, you'll find 34 tubes of our signature ballpoint paint, along with essential accessories like a paint hoop, replacement tips, and tip cleaner. It's everything you need to get started right away. Everything is neatly organized in a durable tin case, designed for both protection and easy storage. Plus, with 2 sturdy handles, you can take your creativity wherever you go. Crafted with care and attention to detail, this set is made in the USA. You can rely on the quality and performance for all your artistic endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this paint caddy makes a wonderful gift. It provides endless possibilities for colorful expression. What we like. For the serious crafter, this comprehensive set provides an incredible selection of 34 colors and all the essential accessories you'll need. The sturdy tin case ensures everything is organized and portable. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with maximum creative potential, this caddy is for you. What people say. The paint is vibrant and easy to use. It dries quickly and doesn't smudge. Great for detailed work and adds a nice sheen. Number 3. Crafts WF310017 Tiny Trio Die. Discover the Crafts WF310017 Tiny Trio Die. It's designed to add a decorative touch to your projects. This die is perfect for all your decorative needs. It brings a unique flair to any creation. Crafted for longevity, this product offers exceptional durability. You can rely on its high quality for repeated use. Experience American craftsmanship. This item is proudly manufactured in the United States. With a package length of just 1.0, it's conveniently sized. This versatile tool is ready to enhance your crafting. What we like. This item is designed for adding intricate decorative elements to your projects. It's a high-quality, durable tool built to last. If you're seeking to add unique, precise embellishments and value long-lasting craftsmanship, consider this for your crafting needs. What people say. The paint is a good consistency for embroidery. It works well on fabric and doesn't bleed. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting. Number 2. Aunt Martha's 10-inch Ballpoint Metal Painting Hoop Bundle. Introducing Aunt Martha's 10-inch Ballpoint Metal Painting Hoop. It's designed for your creative projects. Crafted from sturdy metal, this hoop ensures longevity and stability for all your artwork. The ample 10-inch diameter provides plenty of space to work on your designs. This bundle comes complete with 12 sheets of replacement blotters, so you're always ready to create. Get everything you need to start your next painting project with this convenient bundle. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this tool is a great addition to your supplies. What we like. This bundle provides a generous 10-inch hoop, ideal for larger embroidery projects, along with extra blotters for continuous work. It's designed to make your embroidery painting process smoother. If you're working on bigger designs or want to ensure you have backup supplies readily available, this hoop set is a practical pick. What people say. The paint is a good consistency for embroidery. It works well on fabric and doesn't bleed. The colors are vibrant and dry quickly. Number 1. Aunt Martha's Ballpoint Paint Tubes Replacement Tips. Introducing Aunt Martha's Ballpoint Paint Tubes Replacement Tips. These are essential for your decorating and embroidery projects. Achieve intricate designs with these specially designed tips. They offer precision for all your creative endeavors. Elevate your embroidery work with these versatile ballpoint tips. They provide a smooth and consistent flow of paint. These replacement tips are designed for effortless application. Simply attach them to your paint tubes and start creating. Each package contains 6 replacement tips. This ensures you have plenty for multiple projects and future needs. What we like. Keep your Aunt Martha's Ballpoint Paint Tubes working like new with these replacement tips. They ensure a consistent and easy application for all your decorating and embroidery tasks. If your existing tips are worn out or you want to maintain precision in your paint application, these are essential. What people say. This paint is perfect for embroidery and fabric painting. The colors are vibrant and the paint applies smoothly. It dries quickly and is water-resistant once dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.